do you do?
What do you want to, the live thing?
Oh.
Getting through somehow. Boy, those guys have to know how to drive in this stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Lady looked like she had a bloody nose. There was police around her.
Oh, no.
Unless she was crying and something happened. Those guys have helmets on, those policemen over there.
Yeah, these are SWATs.
Oh, okay.
What are they?
SWAT.
The SWAT team guys.
Really? Wow. There's so many more now, right?
Yeah.
I noticed more dogs too from the police.
Yes, it's especially now is the season, and the event happened last month.
Oh yeah, and so they're afraid of the terrorists.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Now they started putting these the barricades and then all these safety features before, I think last year or it was in the beginning of this year. I think it was this year. This guy drove in.
Oh, I remember that. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was horrible.
Yeah, that's especially tourists.
Yeah, the one kid that died was from Michigan. Just imagine, on a vacation. 18 years old, I think.
And that was horrible.
Oh, Robin, here's the Hard Rock. And right above it says Paramount. See?
Oh, okay.
That's where my mom used to see Frank Sinatra.
Gosh. Isn't that something?
See, if people see the Hard Rock, they don't see above it the old name.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
I can see it on your screen.
Oh, yeah.
See it from the car. This is really something. I'm enjoying this ride. Never driven through here.
This is almost as crowded as Light Up Ocala, Robin.
It's almost as what?
Almost as crowded as Light Up Ocala.
Oh, crowded.
It's my joke.
Oh, okay. I couldn't understand what you said.
Hey, Mike. Mike Sizemore's looking, see?
Oh.
Say hi, Mike.
Hi, Mike. It says NYPD security camera.
He said hi, Robin.
Thank you, Mike.
Whoa, look how close that bicycle is. Whoa. Boy, that guy on that bicycle's risking his life, isn't he?
Yeah, he's got something in his front basket, though. He's probably delivering it.
Yeah, you're in the open road.
There's Macy's. Is this the road, 7th Avenue?
Yes.
Where it goes down? Oh, okay.
Oh, the parade goes down 6, I think, right?
Oh. Well, it says Macy's on the front of the building on 7th Avenue. Maybe it's on the other side too. Macy's probably the
Right.
whole block.
Right.
Oh, okay. Father Michael F. Judge. Oh, he's the father that perished in 9/11. Michael Judge.
I don't know.
You see, it's on the street sign. It's got a number and then it's got his name. Like this is
Maybe.
7th Avenue and Fashion Avenue.
I don't remember his name.
I think that was him. Okay.
I think that was still recording the whole time. Don wants to know if it's cold up here. No. Not today. It's not cold. Canada, was it cold up here the last couple of days?
Yes.
It was the last couple of days, but today's been pretty nice.
I'm wearing my gloves.
Robin is wearing her gloves, but that's a girl thing. You wear gloves just because it's November and you're in New York.
Exactly.
That's my father's old job right there. My father was a policeman here.
Gosh. Far are we away from where your dad worked? Police headquarters.
He was lower east side in Center Street.
Oh, okay.
So, and pretty far, actually, from here.
So those were the first precincts, right? The old ones.
Yeah, well, you know the building on Center Street down in the Lower East Side that has a dome on it?
Yeah.
That's now condominiums, very expensive condominiums. That used to be police headquarters.
Wow.
And I don't know where it is now, but my dad worked in there. He was a policeman from 52 to 72. It was 20 years, and somewhere around 62 he got hit by a car outside Yankee Stadium. And then after that he worked indoors the rest of his career, and that's where he worked, down there. How far are we away from where we're going?
Block away.
1 block?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Oh, nice.
Almost there.
It's called the Cell.
It's called what?
The Cell.
The Cell. Oh, that's right. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Bookstore.
You guys have to cross the street.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I thought so.
Yeah, we don't want you to do something that's
Canaan, is your name pronounced Canaan or Canaan?
Canaan.
Canaan. Oh, neither. Okay.
But over here they pronounce Canaan.
Oh, oh my.
Well, if I knew you, I would say Canaan because that's the right way.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Pakistan?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. What a change.
Yep.
Did you find what you were looking for?
Still.
Yeah. Still looking.
Yeah.
Hello, Sherry. Sherry says hi, Robin.
Oh, hey, Sherry.
Couldn't see Robin. It's dark. In the back of the car.
This is Chelsea.
Yeah. But it's called the Cell.
Yeah. That's
S-E-L-O or C-E-L-O? looked it up on Street View. I saw it. But... All right, this is where we get it.
Just give me 1 second.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Oh, you got to do a U-turn. Oh, out here. Okay. All right.
That's the store right there.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you so
Kanan,
much.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'll tip you on the line, but there's
Thank you.
something. Everybody
Thank you.
likes cash.